Hey, this will be a quick video, but an important step in our 3000 cents test here. Up on the screen, I have the list of the mailing lists here in this account. And this was the mailing list that we sent to our first 1,000 postcards. And what I've done was I've set up a second mailing list called BizOp Scanners. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take anybody who scans off of this mailing list right here, and I'm going to put them automatically onto this mailing list. So in the process of doing this test and future mailers in this niche to these sorts of lists, I'm going to be building a hyper responsive people who have actually scanned list here. And it'll stand the reason that if I start to mail to my BizOp scanners list in the future, I have a better chance of them interacting with the postcards, letters, note cards, thanks.io sends that I have. So I'm basically segmenting my list just like you would with like a ConvertKit or any, ConvertKit's an email application, any email marketing applications, Infusionsoft or Keep, whatever they're calling now, HubSpot, marketing automation, where if somebody clicks on a link in your email, you then add them to another segment inside your email marketing software. You can do the same thing with thanks.io. Anyway, the way that I did this, it does require a Zap. It's a very simple Zap to build. The trigger event here in Zapier, I choose thanks.io and I say event is QR code scan. I will mention in passing that you do have some other cool options here, such as item delivered. You can actually, when a postcard or note card gets delivered, you can trigger stuff to your CRM and trigger other actions if you want to. But we're going to do on QR scan, and we're just going to add the recipient. The second action will be thanks.io, and we're going to add that recipient to that second mailing list that you have set up. So that's all I'm doing here. Where is that? I do add recipient, set up action. I choose the mailing list BizOp scanners right here. And then I just, move the data over here. It took me about 2 minutes to build this app really quick. And I'll click publish and turn on. Now what this will do, again, is it'll take anybody who scans here, put them on the BizOp scanners list. And what I'm going to do moving forward is as I have additional lists, right, we're going to do 2,000 more sends and I'll have 2 other lists. As I have those additional lists, I'm then going to move the people who opt into that into my BizOp scanners list. So just a quick step, if you're doing a similar campaign, if you're following along, you'll want to build that in Zap, start segmenting out your mailing list here, and we'll see you in the next video in this 3000 sends sequence.